How to transfer money from Binance to other crypto wallet. First, open your Binance app and then go to your assets. Make sure you transfer to the tab that is labeled Spot and then tap Withdraw. On the address bar, you should type USDT and then select Send via Crypto Network. You have to fill out these informations, address, network, and the amount. Make sure you choose a network, for example, the Arbitrum 1. So to get the address, you should go to your Get.io app and then tap on your assets, tap on deposit and choose on-chain deposit. Select coin and that's USDT. Once you've done that, choose the same network you have on Binance. That's Arbitrum 1. Once you have the address, copy the address and then go back to your Binance app and paste it there. Once you're done, put the withdraw amount and then tap on withdraw.